Okay, today we're putting the race car exhaust on my Jaguar XJ6 with an American V8. Let's do this. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but I wanted to explain to you, for the sake of this video, that I had an exhaust system put in 2.5 inches from my headers down to my mufflers that go through an X pipe. And we're going to make it a race car exhaust today by just putting cutouts and hearing that straight piped V8 exhaust. So let's get this done. Okay, I don't know what size wrench, so we're going to start with these. I have this weird feeling, calling almost, that it's an 11/16. I'll let you know if I'm right. Oh. No way, dude. I need another one because there's... Can you stop filming and help me? Okay, I know we skipped a lot, but let me explain. I just got done installing 2 QTP 2.5 inch electric cutouts, which is going to allow my 2.5 inch straight pipe exhaust from my headers to sound wicked, because it's gonna bypass these bad boys. So I think it's time we go test these babies out. Let's go. So, I mean, as you guys know, if you've been following a page, this is a Jaguar XJ6. It's a 1972 Series 1. And it's got a Chevy 350 in it. And this thing, you know, although I don't really know the origin story of it, I know it's from a 71 vehicle. The VIN's actually been like completely ground off. All I have is the rear casting numbers. So it is a 71 350. I don't know anything else about it. I know it has Vortec heads. I would like to put better flowing heads and a bigger cam. But I mean, as you can hear, it sounds pretty good at the high end. It drones a lot and it doesn't sound amazing at the low end. But we're kind of unlocking its full potential now with the exhaust, and we'll be able to fine tune it, I think, as we go on. But she's holding up. She's holding up. 71, 500,000 miles probably. I don't know.
Today, Lenny's putting this race car exhaust to the test. No cats, no mufflers, no nonsense. We're gonna hear the bald eagles scream all throughout this canyon, which goes miles and miles deep. And I think it's gonna sound good. What do you think?
I think it's gonna sound pretty wicked. So let's get the test in, shall we?
Apologize.
Not.
Very nice.
All right, guys, well, I mean, you're going to see it throughout this episode, and you're going to see it through a bunch of other episodes that we're going to do, but this car is going to be a major, major staple on the channel. We're going to continue to push it. We're going to continue to push its limits. We're going to try to figure out exactly what we're going to do. I'm thinking, honestly, LSX 454, who knows, maybe a twin turbo, 5.3, 383 small block. There's so many possibilities. And the reality is I'm probably gonna keep this car forever. I did so much of the interior with my dad. Super sentimental to me. And we're just gonna have to continue, you know, you're gonna have to subscribe, you know, to see what's gonna happen to this car, and in the future. So thanks for viewing. I really do appreciate it. We both appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you soon.
The guy's gone. Let's do another run.